Ayaw duot kay Parapan. Pabor sa diri pa. Muduol siya ba? Muduol. Kay muduol dito. Maglasok. Matras na siya.
Isang tandaan.
Ay! Ito kayo ulit pa eh. Ito kayo dito. Sipon na wito. Sipon na wito. Ay, sipon ba eh. Babay. Sipon. Kanan. Cellphone may palihog lang, cellphone. Babay yung cellphone.
Ano na, malipayo na ito ito. Parang lang ko na. Mabuha. Safe, nagkadya mong tao. Pinakong pinakasis na.
Tao na.
They survived sa kinana ka pamagit natin na pamagit. So, makalagi nila ang beach. Kaya dagang tao sa datan hindi ka pinababa. So, pinatayag na pinabangay gini.
Mayor, how are we going to celebrate Kadayawan amidst challenges of the city government, actually the leadership? How are we going to celebrate amidst the challenges?
So, wala may problema. Kaya naman ko rin as acting mayor. So, sa previous years, kung saan natin ginadala ka tayo, malinganan ng gihapon with the improvements. So, status quo lang maghihapon.
Mayor, I'm sorry, but I have to ask, what's your reaction on,
Honestly, simula pa lang kasi talaga.
Ay, kanang baba ka ba?
That's why,
Kamay na cellphone niyo.
yung
Alam mo sa babahan.
talaga, hindi
Okay. Ay, may sapo ka na ako sa 1,000 po. Hindi mo na isold na.
bibigyan ng respeto talaga yung end bank position sa Supreme Court. That's really heavy, statement coming from the judiciary. Actually, that's it's an objective view of the situation because they are there to interpret the law. However, ito namang mga politicians, they are elected officials. And they represent the people or whatever, but they're elected, meaning they're politicians. Their decisions are very subjective. Okay? So, ngayon, may decision ng Korte Suprema, and yet they still want to push the issue. So, para lang sa akin kasi, kailangan natin respetuhin talaga yung Supreme Court. Because there are three separate branches of government. These are full equal branches. So, bakit marami pa tayo pinag-uusapan? They are the ones who already made the decision. Ibig sabihin, attention being done. Okay? So, sige na lang. Tanay mo po sige. Nakarating ka sa Senate, ipapalit ka naman, I suppose, in Congress, pag-empire na naman yan ulit. I'm going to say what I said before, and from the beginning, it's a political scheme. It's a smear campaign against the Vice President.
Ano?
House,
It's okay, it's a democracy. So yeah, you can say whatever they want. If you don't have the numbers, you can't have the cake, you can have the price, okay? So that's it. So you can say whatever you want.
Sir, in this interview in India, sir, the president said, and he doesn't, hindi siya nakikialam.
I don't really think it matters what he says because nothing that comes out of his mouth is, like worth listening to. I heavily criticize the president, so it's been like that for since the start of his term. Actually, but I don't want to even look into what he's saying because nothing really good comes out of his mouth. Okay, so bularga na po ko soon. Kaya para tanaw na po ko mga pero payat na gid siya. Payat na gid siya. Kaya tanaw na ko sa mga kaon ng tarong or Pinoy. Wala gana eh. Wala gana. Kung nakasamalay, you're with family and friends, kaon lang ka, so wala na problema. Pero kung ikaw, sa kinsa sa tuwa, any other ordinary person, punta ka detention center, even without a clear, like a clear case against you, without due process, how would you feel? So, mauna sa mga ko. It's very unjust yung ginagawa sa niya. So, sige lang, siya may mayor nato gyapon. Okay, siya ay mayor nato, acting mayor ko, and it's been mayor here for several years already. Let's just follow his direction. Kami atong mahantong kami. Mauna ang gabawin niyo. Salamat kayo. So, I will take this opportunity para i-promote lang ko ang doktor na si Juan Baker, medical aesthetics. Pero, Juan, discipline na gina sa Juan, put in your mouth. Pagkaon nyo. Gym, basketball. Ayaw sa ito. Salamat kayo ha. Kapit na yawan.
Thank you, Mayor. Mayor, basta Duterte mga kabayan, no? Grabe naman. Nakuhan yung kamay ko mga kabayan, ha? Ya, may nakapas. Ako ganin. Bay, ang pusin terbi bay. Gani. Ako to wala.
In the time of warness, we are united as one, not to celebrate the funeral event, but also honor stories full like rivers. Each one will be here to die, fast the voice of ang mga force ng drugs sa ang civil street by the way, at